in line with the grim predictions of Gachagua about our peaceful and legitimate protests. We have taken note of a very unfortunate trend in the use of hired gun against Azimio allies. It's youths from central Kenya who are being used to fight other Kenyan communities. It is youths from central Kenya who are used to invade Northland Farm, beginning of these protests, at the beginning of our protests. And these are the ones who were used to invade Jubilee headquarters recently. They are the ones being told to attack homes of their leaders, and they are the ones who have been used today to attack people and property in different parts of Nairobi. Central Kenya youths are being antagonized with other communities before being eventually isolated and dumped. Despite these developments, we are energized that Kenyans are determined to claim their country. We are marching on. Tomorrow we take a break, strategize and recharge. Our protests will resume on Thursday, the 4th of May. Same meeting, same offices, same petition, same people. And as I had indicated, my colleagues from Central Kenya may wish to comment on the misuse and abuse of youth from Central Kenya.
Thank you very much.